In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and install Shopify themes to your store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to browse themes, try one out, and publish it so it becomes the live look and feel of your online shop. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, your orders, and other key metrics. From here, we're going to move into the section that controls how your store looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Online Store. This opens up the sales channel where you manage your website. You'll see a themes page, which shows your current live theme at the top, and below that, a list of other themes you may have added but not yet published. To browse new designs, find and click on the button that says Visit Theme Store. This will open the official Shopify theme store in a new tab. Here, you can explore a variety of themes created specifically for Shopify. On the left side of the theme store, you'll see filters, including one for price. Click on the free option under price if you'd like to only see themes that don't cost anything. This is a great way to get started without committing to a paid design, and many free themes are more than enough for a professional-looking store. Take your time scrolling through the free themes. When you see one that matches the style or layout you want, click on that theme to open its details page. Here you can see screenshots, demo stores, and information about features, like whether it's optimized for large catalogs or specific industries. If you like what you see, click on Try Theme. This will add the theme to your Shopify admin, but it won't change your live store yet. The theme will now appear back in your themes page under your online store settings, usually in the theme library section. Once you've located the new theme in your list, click on Publish next to it. Shopify will show a confirmation message explaining that this will replace your current live theme. Review it, and when you're ready, click Publish again to confirm. Your new design is now live on your store. You can always customize it further from the same themes page, or switch to another theme later if you change your mind.